So next main important topic is break statement. Break statement. So here one flowchart is to illustrate the use of break statement in Python. So break statement is normally used for exit from the loop. So here look at that. Here one looping structure is there. So first looping condition. If the condition is evaluated true, then the loop statement is executed. So here after the inside the loop statement, if any break statement is found, then it is immediately exit the loop and go back to the exit part of the loop. So here look at that. If the loop statement, so next the loop statement, if any break statement is encountered, if it is true means if the any break statement is found, then it is automatically out of the loop. So then execute the statement after the following of the loop. So this is the use of loop. Loop is used to exit from the loop. So here look at that. I will show one example. So here look at that, a program to demonstrate the use of break statement. So here num is equal to 0. Then for num in range 10. So num in range 10 means, so here then it produce the value from 0 to 9. So then num is equal to num plus 1. So it is automatically num become 1. Then if the number is equal to 8, so means that inside that loop, if number anytime equal to 8, then it is going to break. So break means if any number equal to 8, then loop will exit. Then out of the loop and print as encounter break. So if number not equal to 8, then just print the value of that number. So look at that, the output become, so first 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So when the 8 become come, so then the condition become true if number equal to 8. So inside that condition we write break. So if any break is found, so we know that it is automatically exit from the loop. So if number equal to 8, then it is exit from the loop and just print encountered break out of the loop. So this is the use of break statement. Break statement is used to, so here break statement alter the normal flow of the execution and it terminates the current loop and resume the execution of statement following that loop. So here print encountered break out of the loop is outside the for loop. So when the break is occurred, then it is automatically come to that line print encountered break and out of the loop. So this is the use of break statement. So this is the flow chart of break statement. We already explained that first condition, so then inside the loop, so here dashed line, so what all things in that dashed rectangle, that is so for loop statement. So here inside that for loop, if any break is found, then it is automatic, means if the break statement is encountered, it is true, then it is automatically moved to the exit of the loop. So otherwise, if there is no breaking statement, then exit the loop statement and go back to the loop condition again. So if inside the loop any break is found, then it is automatically exit the loop. So this is the example of break statement. So here also one example of break statement. Find the sum of all positive numbers entered by the user. As soon as the user enter the negative number, if the user enter any negative number, then it break. So here look at that, check that here first set entry is equal to 0, sum is equal to sum 1 is equal to 0. So then just to print that, enter the number to find their sum, negative number ends the loop. So here while true means as long as the value is true. So first we are in int input, so entry is equal to int input, first input one number, then check that if that number is less than 0. So this is the condition for whether it is a negative number. If it is a negative number, it is going to break it, otherwise it to print sum is equal to sum plus entry. So here first value is equal to for example in output, look at that, the output first input 3, then 4, then 5. So in the as the 4 value we input -1. So when we input the -1, then it is condition become the value is less than 0, then it is going to the break. So then print the sum value. So here 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12 is the sum value. So this is the use of breaking statement. So break is used to exit from a loop.